One of the answers to making wheel wells look nice and black and even is a water-based dressing. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Shane with S&S Auto Supply. Today is Tech Tip Friday, number 4. Today's tech tip is water-based dressings in the wheel wells. You use these because they do not attract dirt when they dry, and it'll make the wheel wells look nice and black and even when you are done. Generally, this is one of the last things to do before it leaves the wash bay. You will grab your water-based dressing, whichever one that you get from us that you prefer. My favorite is number 915. Let's see how it looks in the wheel well. Today we're going to be applying 915 universal dressing to the wheel wells. The purpose is to make it look black and even. You want to apply it with an even mist, starting from the bottom, go all the way around to the top, and I go back over to this bottom, spray it. You can apply it to carpeted wheel wells or black plastic. We apply this to the wheel well so it looks really black and even while sitting on the lot. And by using a water base, it will not attract dirt, so it'll dry evenly and just look nice for quite a while. An added bonus to use the 915 universal dressing or any silicone-based product is when you go to rewash the vehicle, if the wheel wells have been coated, the dirt and grime will come out a lot easier the second time. So by applying dressing to the wheel wells, it's just an easy trick to make your wheel wells look good sitting on the lot or for when the customer comes to pick up the car. That was tech tip number 4. If you liked what you saw or learned anything new, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for further Tech Tip Fridays. If you'd like to order any of the 915 dressing or any other Stinger products that we carry, go to www.snsautosupply.com and check out the selections we have for you.